Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this VIVO. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings, scrolling down and choosing Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Now tap on Theme section and click on Download More. You can also access Themes app instead. Whatever you do, when you're ready, tap on Themes category at the top and then select one of those. Or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, free. Now tap on the best theme for you. I will go with maybe this one. Select, not that one, this one. Select download at the bottom and tap on apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings, click on Lock Screen and Wallpaper, select Theme, and tap on Atmosphere. Then just hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!